All right. Firstly, I shoot with Leica M10D, and I shoot with a Leica 28 Sumeron, which starts with f5.6. We're living in a world where people are looking at Noctilux, and we're looking at f1.2 and 1.4. My lens starts with 5.6 and goes up to 22, because I always shoot between f13 and f16. So I don't need that really fancy lenses or expensive lenses to shoot on that aperture. And now I feel if I don't smell my subject, I don't shoot my subject. So I go really close to my subjects, be it dogs, be it humans. I should feel that they are in my touching distance. I want to connect with them. So that is what I do. And that is how I like to be. All right, so you're showing my pictures?
Yep, people should know what you shoot because I have always been so much fascinated about the kind of frames that you capture.
Mm-hmm.
So there is this one particular shot which I particularly like where I feel that it's something like this.
All right.
Coming so close without actually that person to even react to a shot that you're taking a shot.